All right, so before we start, this is a no judgment zone, okay? We don't judge people over here. So before I show y'all the before, y'all got to promise not to judge me, okay? We're agreed? All right. All right, y'all said y'all wasn't going to judge. Y'all said y'all wasn't going to judge, okay? All of this whole mess is just a result of years of not having organization in the closet, and so things just ended up getting thrown in there. There was so much trash in there from me just not going through everything and just letting it pile up, basically. So how I'm starting off is I'm just removing everything because there's stuff that I haven't used. There's trash, there's empty bottles and stuff like that. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just removing everything so we can start fresh. So after I removed everything, I wiped all of the shelves down with some, I think that's Awesome that I'm using, and just a warm rag. After throwing away all of the items that I no longer used or needed, I had to sort out everything that was left. So for the organization, I got these really nice and affordable bins from Amazon, and the link will be in the description box. So I'm separating everything by category, and I have bins for hair care products, and this one in particular is for natural hair. I have one for straight hair, which is this one. And I have one for body care products, and I also have one for household items, and then I use one for my makeup as well.
Hello.
At the very bottom, I'm just putting like cleaning products, tissue, as you can see, my laundry detergent, just random cleaning stuff, and just my tissue. This shelf is for my hair care products, my utensils, my flat irons, and pressing comb. And anything that I couldn't fit in the bins, I just put them behind them, and I put them on whichever side they were for, natural hair or straight hair. And I also got these cute clips from Amazon too. Link will be in the description. The next shelf is for body care products, and on the other side, I think I did like household products like Band-Aids and peroxide and medicines and stuff like that. Oh, this does not have anything to do with the video, but I think that every woman should use healthy feminine care products, and I've been using Lola. So I would definitely recommend that. It's healthier, it's all cotton, there's no chemicals or anything added. So yeah. This shelf, I also put some household products. As you can see, mouthwash. I have some nail stuff in there, Q-tips and things like that. Just random stuff that, you know, I just put in the same bin. And then the other one on the other side is what I think I use to put my makeup palettes in, and like my makeup wipes and stuff like that. And that is the thing that I carry all of my makeup products in, and I just put that behind the bin. The last thing that I'm doing is I'm rolling up all of my towels just so it can allow me to access them easier, because when they're just folded up like regular, it's harder to get them down because my shelf is so high. So rolling it up, it makes it easier to get them, and then it also just looks better, I think. And here is the end results. I'd say that this is a really nice transformation from here to here. I think it looks really good. I'm very satisfied with the results. And yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me if I did a good job. And this is the first of a fall cleaning series, so there will be at least 2 other videos like this, so stay tuned for those. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.